Welcome back to my channel, and WhatsApp updates for both Android and iOS will let you block people from adding you to groups. So the new feature is being introduced to individuals in passes and being added as a new layer of privacy over existing features. So don't go anywhere. So all the details I will show and explain you till the video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. WhatsApp is receiving a new updates that will soon allow you to block from adding you to groups. The privacy focused feature is now rolling out in passes to all Android users and iOS users of the WhatsApp messaging service and offers users more microcontrol over you can add them and who can add them to group messages on the platform. So this will hopefully help protect individuals against spammers from sending messages with offensive contents or malicious codes, hence preventing the spread of spam, malware, and more such objectionable of the platform. This one more the good advantages of WhatsApp upcoming features. This feature is being made available to version on Android and iOS in following images. Users who have already received the latest updates can access the new privacy settings through the setting option by tapping on accounts, select privacy and subsequently choosing groups. While the previous set of options includes the choice for you is everyone, you contacts or nobody option, but the new feature removes the nobody option and replaces it by my contact except. So this feature is selectively block users from adding you and being bad from adding you to groups alongside selecting all contacts. So that's it guys, and stay tuned for more technologies videos and how to make money online, and thanks for watching.